Hi everyone, like we spoke to today, I'm going to show you how to use the new opportunity field in ACT. So first thing first, when you access your ACT interface, please make sure that you click on opportunities. Then there's two options. You're supposed to see something like that. If you don't see it, there's two options. Maybe you're in list view. So at that point, just click on detail view and you'll be able to see all the fields you need to answer. Second thing, if it's not working, please go and select basic opportunity layout update with the date of the 31 of October, so 2017, 10/31. Make sure you select that layout, otherwise you'll have some problem. Once that is selected, you'll have that interface. From there, we'll start and create a new opportunity. So you click on new opportunity. First thing, make sure you give it a name with the details of the order normally, so that will be easier for us to understand what's happening. Just leaving the name new opportunity can be really confusing if you have 20 of them. So, for example, 33-foot trailer, a trailer like this. So I could be saying it like this with one 42-footer trailer. So write some details there so it will be easier for you and for us. Then you want to, the day open date, the total weighted and probability, we'll go back to this later. Then the open date, you don't need to change that. It's depending on which day you got the opportunity. So let's say that I had it today, or it could be also starting last month on the 23 because I got the opportunity at that time. But for today, I'll leave it on that date. Days open, you cannot do anything with that, so don't touch it. Now, what's the expected order date? That's the actual day that you might close that deal. So, and that's really important to be updated every time that you have an update about on the situation. So, for example, I called that customer, he said, perfect, I should be able to make a decision for the order on the 24th of November. So it's not the production date. It's really when are we getting the quote back with the signature. And finally, the actual close date is when you finally have that real signature. So it might be different, it might be the same than the actual date, but please answer those fields. Then two new fields that have been added and you want to make sure to use correctly. And there was few lags you were talking about this morning, and this comes from here. So please pay attention. You need to go into the process and select turbo cell process. Then you'll have 5 options. First one, is it a lead? So is it somebody who just told you, yeah, perfect, you'll be able to quote for that project, but we didn't quote yet? Well, that's the lead for us. Quote is we gave them our quote. So right now they're discussing about the opportunity to maybe sign with us. So we give them the quote, commit to the buy. Well, that would be you received somebody told you, yes, I'm going forward with you, you don't have the signature yet, so that would be a commit to buy. Or if you have a really good feeling with the quote that you just sent, that could be a commit to buy. And what you can see is the probability will change with the status that you're selecting. And at that point, you're able to change the probability depending on each case. So if you're working, let's say, with Highlight, and then he has been a customer for many years, and you're quoting a project right now, well, maybe you could put 75% of probability because we know we've been doing business with them for a long period of time. So that would be a thing. So make sure to update the profile, and there's close lost if we lost the quote, or close win if we won the quote. And then it might seem repetitive, but for ACT, you need to open the status and change it. So that means that if we won and it's closed, please make sure you press on close won or close lost or inactive. And that's really important because when it's open, well, no decision has been made yet. So you'll be changing the stage, and that's okay. Might be a commit to buy or a quote or a lead, but leave it to open. You only change that when the project is closed and a decision has been made. So please update that with every opportunity. And then comes the project description, and this is for the production side to help them plan ahead. So what type of vehicle? So it could be dry vans. Then type of project. Is it existing kits, new ones, one and one repeated? So you choose. So it could be a new design. Quantity of units. So there's 6 units. What's the average price? And you might not have the precise price every time, but please just guess it so we'll have an idea of what's coming. Next action date, well, when's the next call that you're going to do with that person to do a follow-up? And then will come the production details. So what's that? It's the type of kits that we'll be using. So again, more details for the production. Is it printing? Is it existing kits or new kits? So please just make sure that you select that. And I know it's repetitive once again, but please select both of those. They're there for a reason. Printing process, is it off the roll, digital, serigraphy? So please just select the right type of printing project. And is it reflective? Is it not? Do we do the installation or do we not? So that should be the complete way to do and fill out every of your opportunities. So right now you need to go through all of them and make sure that they are on point, because if you don't do this, you'll still have some problem in the future and we won't see the correct numbers. And then make sure you hit save. So that way everything will be saved and in the system. If you have any question, you need more detail, please feel free to reach me. It will be a pleasure for me to help you. Bye-bye.